presenting a pre-owned 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 136,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth MP3, player, keyless entry, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.